crazy about Newports? The hood's the same as a Monaco.
What?
Yeah, the hood's the same as a Monaco. Look at the hood.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Look at this cream puff, hey?
It is a little rusty. Well, it's good. I mean, if it wasn't rusty, you couldn't use it for parts. Ooh, it's got a nice interior.
The interior's mint.
Wow.
And the air blows cold.
What? That interior is beautiful. This should go in something. Can you put it in one of the... You know what? If you don't use it, I'll put it... I'm not proud. I'll put it in my Monaco police car.
Well, it's two-door seats. They won't fit.
Oh, shit.
I know. Because otherwise I'd totally use them, man. Who cares? You can put them in your truck, I guess.
Dan procured... what are you using out of this? Just the engine and transmission and subframe?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what I'm smelling? Subframe swap Showdown. Summer subframe Showdown. I got a subframe, and they're both Newports. That'd be funny.
I bought this because the 74 Monaco is motorless.
Yeah, yeah.
And this car's 47,000 miles on it, and the engine runs so good. I'm sitting here all day.
Shit, it's even got good exhaust.
It's a single exhaust though. That saves me at least half the bill. Right?
Let's have a look under the hood while it's running. And it's a 440.
It's a fairly weird option car. Somebody must have ordered it. 440, and the nice thing is all the heater box and everything, where you see everything coming in, like for the heater hoses and stuff. On the Monaco, it just has a delete plate.
Yeah.
So I can actually pull everything out from under the dash and have this perfect heater core and all this air conditioning stuff. And it doesn't have auto temp.
You could put air into the Monaco.
I could put air in the Monaco because this is everything you would need.
Everything you would need, including all the
switches and everything.
Everything, yeah. And they use a very similar dash.
Other than the cap, where the front is, it's exactly the same.
So you could use everything.
I could use everything.
And a good rad and good.
Yeah, the rad was tank. Everything was good. This car was driving.
Yeah.
Like it made several 500-kilometer trips. And it's had a huge transmission because it had all the trailer swing stuff, and hence why the police booster and all that on it. I don't have that. That's all missing from my car steering box. Like look at the wiper. Look at the wiper motor, starter relay, all the under hood wiring.
Yeah, all that stuff is mint.
I know.
Even still has the anodizing on it and everything. Yeah, right on.
And it runs so good.
No, it's exactly what you want in a donor. Is a really nice car with a rotten body.
So, but like all this, I can use these. This is the same.
Oh, that's all clean.
This is the same. The straps are a little different, but probably workable.
Yeah.
I actually think the two-door headliner might be longer than the four-door one, which would be amazing if it was.
Yeah, great. There's so much. Were you going to do your car blue interior?
No. No, I have a brown interior, and it's actually pretty good too. And I got most of the other pieces out of yours.
So you just use the hardware?
Yeah.
Nice.
But no parts will go to waste.
No, that's what we...
Like,
use the whole buffalo, buddy.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to take a short break from sanding, and we're going to join Dean and Dan, Chevrolet wrecking crew, and we're going to repair the column in details is 83 Impala, and Dan has owned about 744 of these, so we've coaxed him out of retirement. He's back.
Yeah. Oh no.
One more engagement. Thanks for coming over, buddy.
Yeah, anytime.
I know you. Well, I know you're a busy dude. So.
But you know, you caught me on a perfect night. Yeah, go ahead.
There you go.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. I put the screws back in.
Okay. Okay. So we decided that we'll pull the donor one apart first, just because it's stopped raining for 11 seconds. So.
Yeah. Hallelujah.
Oh, look at that. Slick.
You might as well keep that because he doesn't have one on his car.
Okay.
So.
I'll take this off since we're here.
Okay, it's all spring loaded in there, yeah.
And go.
Like a glove, eh?
Great.
Okay, so next thing, deal with flathead. I'll go around.
I got one right there, 51. Oh, you mean the screwdriver? Gotcha.
Yeah. So you just pull this back over, and then it comes off.
Okay. Very nice.
Right, so easy peasy.
That goes on the bench here.
Okay.
The sneaky GM tool here.
Yeah, or I think the tilt columns in Chryslers
Is
too.
that supposed to be cacked off? Like
Yeah, it
that?
doesn't matter.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. It's different.
Oh,
app.
it's
Different.
app.
Yeah, not the same.
Oh, cool.
Okay, there you
So
go.
see, it pops off.
Yeah.
It's unlikely it's going to go anywhere, and if it does, it's right into my eye. So nothing to fear. Okay.
Cool.
So that
There you
pops
go.
out
Oh, smart.
like that, and then
Oh, right, because you have to put pressure on the collar. I see.
Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
gotcha.
and this slides up and out. Right,
Okay.
like so, and then let's back this out.
Column time.
Column time.
And
Yeah.
that's the lock right there.
Mm-hmm.
Right, it's gonna have a spring underneath it.
Uh,
Oh, it's still springed. There we go.
These are built well, actually. You know.
except
Wow.
that they always come loose down here.
They always come loose on tilt columns. Yeah, that's the horn button there. It's nice and greasy. So let's just put it back up how we took it out, just in case we need to use it. Okay. See when you turn the key, it unlocks the steering wheel.
Oh
Lock it right. It's very, very brain dead design.
Simple.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that comes out. Right, that cam is good on his though because his signal still works.
Oh, cam.
Okay.
Yeah. The only advantage is we're not putting this one back together.
Yeah. So now you got to feed that. Oh, I see.
Oh, I wouldn't
trick.
have thought that was
Jeez.
gold. That's tight. Oh, they're so sneaky there at the old factory, eh? Yeah, it's like the old days in Saskatchewan, buddy.
If I'm not mistaken.
Back in the
Busted
Deuce Joey.
GM columns, eh? Like they teach us in
I gotta
junior
just
high.
think about this for a second.
Okay,
Where
see
are we
there's a
hung up
wire
here?
there.
Oh, that's our cruise wire. And since this car doesn't have cruise, we're not even saving that.
Okay.
Sorry.
Oh, sweet. You got it.
Now, let's see how much they smashed of this portion.
Oh, hey, yeah. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one
Oh,
is in substantially better shape.
there we go.
Look at the gears aren't all
Holy, you.
So unfortunately, it had gotten double destroyed, and the
Well, you can
actual
see-
cast part.
show the
yeah,
guy. Show the viewers.
there,
Yeah.
right here. And that little corner is what holds the steering wheel lock. So if that wasn't broken, we wouldn't have to do this. But this literally doubled the time on the job, and it was already a shit job. And Dan would just wanted to watch some TV today, and now he's just like, "Why do I answer? I told you not to answer your phone." I said, "If you don't want to be the helpline, don't answer your phone." And then he said, "Well, I might as well just come over and do it for you because you guys are bums."
He's got a point.
He's got a point.
Not those exact words, but hey. Can somebody say something?
We're being too quiet for you, buddy.
No, they're so quiet.
Oh,
Nope, yep.
suspense.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Pry bar,
No.
hammer,
No.
impact wrench.
Yeah. All three. Okay, that's done. Okay, so we have that.
Dan's had enough.
tired.
Well, and
Okay, let's take care of the park thing.
Okay. Oh, nice.
No, it's going to be out of place.
oh, there's an adjustment.
Well, yeah, it just zaps onto the column.
Dude, yeah, you got her nailed. That's better than it was before. I remember you'd had to count.
There,
You had
it's
to
perfect now.
count. Perfect now.
Cool,
Yeah.
man. Good job. Right on.
Do you want to grab some glass cleaner, dude?
Yes. I can.
Wow. Professional service, complete with detailing when we're done. And good. And in goes the tilter. And that's
Do you have the
another
quarter inch?
beautiful repair. I do. Okay. I'm gonna hook up the battery. We're just gonna test that the horn doesn't blow the whole time or whatever. Watch your legs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hit it.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
And hold on.
Yeah. Horn. Oh, done. Well played, buddy.
Yeah,
Let's
good
get these
job.
tools away.
This guy's a master. You're hired, man. Holy shit, you're
Yeah,
hired.
right.
quit.
We open a good
You
wrench
quit, he
service
quit on
center.
it.
Yeah, he quit.
He quit.
First day on the job,
He
he quit.
quit.
All right. Let's see what Mark's brought home today. Oh, it's baby blue.
Yeah.
This was your dad's?
Yep.
Oh.
I'm not sure.
Wow, I wish Dean was here. He would flip. Look at this guy. Town car, hey?
Yeah. Interior is the cool.
Is it? Where's that? McFarland Goodacre Red Deer. Cool. Wow, it's hard to believe that's the original color.
Yeah.
Oh, matching leather.
Yeah.
Wow,
What?
quite plush. You decided to dig it out of the old sea can, eh?
Yeah. I was back there at home. Too bad for fire roof. That's could be very things.
Right. Yeah, it's just they're too old, I guess.
Yeah. Finally gas on the road for here.
Oh, the back door was fixed at one time.
My gas.
Yeah. Well, the color match is good, so
Yeah.
nobody's gonna notice that. So, what is your plan? You gonna put it together to drive, or what? Yeah? You think Jane's gonna drive you around in this?
Yeah, I think so.
What do you think, Frankers? Frankers likes it. Look at this guy. Is it a 400 or 460 mark? Look at that.
Well, you don't have to running.
How many years ago did you put it away?
That's nice. Really close.
This is RDW 97.
97.
Yeah, so that's
When it was
26 years ago, yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, even got the battery charged up.
Yeah.
So, you see that is the horn ring apart because it fell apart?
It just exploded.
Shows 98,000 kilometers, so it's 60,000 miles.
Yeah.
Well, it's really solid though. These things, most of them rusted away, so. I don't know if I've ever seen one this color.
The good part was the gas tank was just fucking cheap.
Oh, good. This is a 7 mile per gallon cruiser, eh?
Yeah. After it's tuned up.
Oh, Franker's gonna like that. Here she comes. Don't get all wet, you pirate. Hey? Yeah, I know you like it. Somebody's haircut turning very rapidly into a waste of money here. Stay tuned. We're gonna have some fun. Not just with the funnels. This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.